Hello students, welcome to math class. So in previous video lecture, we have studied some basic theories of this lesson. So today we will start exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Use the figure to name. Here one figure is given, you have to see and you have to give the answers of all 4 questions. A. 5 points. So give the name of 5 points from this figure. It is a D, E, O, B and C. What is the answer? First answer is O, B, C, D, E. Second one, line. You have to give the names of line. First, D, E, line, D, E. Second one, D, B. So this is the second one, D, B. First one is D, E. Second one, D, B. Then O, E. Line O, E and O, B. So here are the names of the lines. D, E, D, B, then O, E and O, B. Here you can write ED also instead of this DE. You can write BD instead of DB also. Next, 4 rays. So that is a OD. This is the one of the answer, OD. Second one, OE. Here only it is given. OE. Then OC and OB. One more name you can write, that is a ED. Another EB. So these are the all possible name of the rays. Any 4 you can write. Next, 5 line segments. You have to write the name of the line segment. But make sure here how to write the names of the line, rays and segment. That symbol also you have to use here. 4 line segments, it is a DE, EO, then OB. Next you can write D, it is a DE, EO, OB, then DO, then EB. All possible name you can write. Question number 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given points. Here figure is given. From the figure you have to write the name of the line in a 12 possible ways. Let's see. First AB, then AC, then AD. Okay. Next BC, BD. Next you can write CD. Next BA, you can write CA and DA. That is also possible. Then CB, then DB and DC. This you can write. Once again you can randomly also you can write, but only one time you have to write. That 2 letters, that name should come only one time. AB. Next you can write BA. You can see AB and BA. Next AC, that you can write CA. That is the second one. So CA, then AD and DA. AD and DA. Next, BC and CB. So BC and CB. Next, BD and DB. So BD and DB. Yeah, then you can write CD and DC. CD and DC. So completed. Question number 3. Use the figure to name a line containing point E. Where is the point E? Find out. Here. This is the first one and this is the second one. So here are the names A, E and F, E. A, E and F, E. B. Line passing through point A. Which line passed through? This line passed through point A. That is it A, E or A, D. Both are possible. Line on which point O lies. Here is the point O and that passes through this line. So it is a CO or OC. Both way you can write. Next, two pairs of intersecting lines. So intersecting lines, two pairs you have to write. You can check. This is the first pair. So it is a AE and CO. AE and CO. Or you can write AD also. AD and CO. So first pair AD and CO and second one FO and AE. E, it is E here. O is on the another line. So it is FE and AE. How many lines can pass through one given point? Infinite number of lines can pass through one given point. That is a point here. And two given points. Only one line can pass through two given points. Here 2 points are there. From 2 points, only one line can pass. And that line should pass through both the points. If 2 points you will take this way and you will write this way, draw lines, that is a wrong. Because that line should pass through both the points. Then notice it is only one. Question number 5. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following case. Point P lies on AB. One point that lies on AB. Draw line AB and here point P. XY and PQ intersect M. Two lines are intersecting. Two lines intersecting at M. And give the name XY and PQ. C. Line contains E and F but not D. So one of the line that contains E and F but not D. So write this point outside of the line, not on the line. D. OP and OQ meet at O. So both lines are intersecting. Meeting point is given O. So two lines are intersecting. They are meeting at point O. And this O is common in the both the lines. So here P, O and second one here Q and O. Question number 6. Okay, that question is little lengthy, that we will see in the next video.